You use Paysend for quick, fixed-fee international transfers, but are you getting the absolute most out of it? Are you integrating it with other fintech tools to build the ultimate, frictionless financial stack? Most people think of Paysend as a standalone app, great for sending money from their card or bank account abroad. And it is great for that. But in the world of modern finance, the real power comes from connectivity. Paysend has actively sought partnerships and developed features to make it a central hub in your digital finance life. Let's break down how you can combine Paysend with other top fintech tools. First, let's talk about funding and access. Paysend has partnerships with open banking platforms like Plaid and Tink. What does this mean for you? It means when you go to fund your Paysend transfer, instead of manually typing in your debit card details or routing and account numbers, these integrations let you securely connect your external bank account directly. This is a game changer for speed and convenience, making the start of your transfer practically instant and reducing the chance of manual errors. Next, consider receiving and spending. When you send money to a bank card using Paysend, the funds can arrive virtually in real time. This is where your other fintech tools come in. If your recipient uses a digital bank or a multi-currency account like Revolut, N26, or Wise, that instant deposit into their card or account is immediately available for them to use, whether that's spending locally or transferring it further. You're combining Paysend's speed with the modern banking flexibility of their local provider. For the small business owners or freelancers watching, think about payroll and business finance. Paysend has been integrating with platforms like Deal, a global payroll service. If you're using Deal to pay international contractors, you can route those payments through Paysend's infrastructure. This combination simplifies mass payouts, potentially reducing the cost and dramatically accelerating how quickly your remote team members get their funds compared to traditional wire transfers. In essence, combining Paysend with other tools is all about creating seamless flow. Use open banking integrations like Plaid and Tink to instantly pull funds into Paysend from your linked bank. Utilize digital banks on the receiving end to ensure the instant card-to-card payout is immediately accessible for spending or further domestic transfer. Leverage business integrations for streamlined, fast, and cost-effective international payroll and vendor payments. By treating Paysend not just as a singular tool, but as a core layer in your digital finance stack, you unlock a level of speed and efficiency that traditional banking simply can't match. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.